Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your transaction history on PayPal. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you want to see your transaction history or your activity history on PayPal, it's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal account. You can log in into your mobile apps or using your website on your computer. For example, here is I'm using the PayPal website on my computer. To see your PayPal history, you can check in here on from your home. You can just scroll down and you can see your recent activity. And if you want to see all your activity history, you can just click on show all. So all the transaction history like your payment, maybe request money will be stored in here on your activity. Okay, or from home you can select on activity. Here's all your activity history, your account activity history will be stored. And also you can filter by date for the last 19 days, or maybe you want to see just for this month or this year or last year. But by default it's set to last 90 days. You can apply filters. And also on your history, you can check on the details if you want to. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your transaction history on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.